Sign up for free domain and hosting and install Wordpress in seconds. Open your web browser and go to zerofees.net. On the right, click on Sign Up Now. Fill in your account details, username, password and email address. You can use the same email address for multiple accounts. Choose your site category and language. Finally, enter security code and click Register. Prompt page will appear. Now go to your email account to activate newly created Zero Fees account. The email often gets picked by spam filter, so try searching inside your spam folder. Click on the link. Wait for a minute or two while system is creating your account. After that, your account's detail page will appear. These details are essential, so please make note of them. When that's done, click on Control Panel URL to be forwarded to cPanel login page. Here you can enter newly generated username and password you used for registering the account. At first login to Zero Fees cPanel, it will notify you about sending emails. Please press I approve. Congratulations! Now you have signed into your cPanel. Here you have a lot of different options, but for now, we will look at the Softaculous Apps Installer, which makes it easy to install different kind of content management systems and web applications with a simple click of a button. Click on the Softaculous icon and open the script installer. Here you can see all the different applications available for fast install. We'll choose Wordpress and click Install. Fill in the basic information about your website, like its name and description. You can also leave it as default for now. It's always possible to change it later. At the bottom of the page, click Install. Wordpress site is now being installed. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes till finish. When that's done, you should see title "Congratulations, the software was installed successfully." Your site is now online and ready to use. You can click on the site link to see how it looks. In order to access your Wordpress admin panel, in your browser address field, please enter your site directory URL combined with a /wp-login.php. This will bring up Wordpress login page. Enter your Wordpress admin username and password, which by default are admin and pass, in order to access Wordpress admin dashboard. And that's all, your Wordpress site is now online and ready to use.